In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the calendar settings in your school's Brightspace student portal. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Using Chrome is important here because it helps ensure the Brightspace portal loads properly and that all tools display the way they're supposed to. Once Chrome is open, go to your school's Brightspace student portal login page. From there, sign in using your school-provided account credentials. Make sure you enter your details carefully so you can access the correct student environment without any issues. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your Brightspace homepage. This is the main landing area where you'll typically find course tiles, announcements, and quick access tools. Take a moment to get oriented if this is your first time using the portal. What you're looking for next is the Calendar Tool Block widget, which should be available from your homepage menu area. Go ahead and navigate to the Calendar Tool Block widget. Depending on how your school has arranged the homepage layout, this may appear as a panel, a widget, or a menu item connected to your main dashboard. The calendar tool is where you can keep track of important academic dates, deadlines, events, and course-related scheduling information. Opening this section will take you into the calendar dashboard, where you can manage how your calendar is displayed and used. Once you're inside the calendar dashboard grid, look for the Settings tab. This tab is typically used to control calendar preferences and display options, so it's an important place if you need to customize how information appears. When you find it, click the Settings tab to open it. That's it. You've now successfully logged into Brightspace, accessed the calendar tool from the homepage, and opened the Settings tab inside the calendar dashboard grid. If you're following along on your own screen, it can help to move slowly and confirm each page has fully loaded before going to the next step. This is especially useful if your school's portal is slightly customized, since layouts can vary a little from one institution to another. If needed, you can always return to the home page and try again, but as long as you're in Chrome, signed into the correct student portal, and navigating through the home page menu to the calendar area, you should be able to reach the Settings tab without much trouble.